This is our new rabbit hutch. Delilah, what you doing over there? Are you playing? This is my backyard, which is just dirt right now because all the snow just dried. There's my shed. The back of my house, Martin's little work area right here, where he builds stuff. Up there's my bedroom. There's our back door, which needs to be painted badly. And then when we go inside, I've got my kitchen. There's my kitchen table, my windows, Delilah's eating table, her little play kitchen. Here is my actual kitchen with my pigs in the window for Grandma. You can see into the backyard. And then you come around the corner here, and we have the hallway. There's a front door down there. Here's our chalkboard wall, which is kind of dark in here, so it's hard to see. Let me turn the light on. Chalkboard wall, and we keep our calendar on there, and then Delilah draws on the bottom. And I got 3 more windows right here in the hallway that are pretty cool. There's my shoe rack, my front door. Here's my living room. When you come around here, I've got my couch and my little bay window there. Here is our wood-burning stove. And then we've got our television. Delilah's got a fancy car.